Hi guys, I am Akansha Sahgal and welcome to day 28 of Vlogmas 2020. It's Christmas Eve, 24th of December, and guys, we just reached 400 subscribers and I am so happy and so thankful to all of you. Actually really means a lot. And for today, as I promised, I'll be sharing how my Vlogmas experience was and a lot of other things that we'll discuss about. So it will be a sit and talk kind of a thing, and I'll just share a lot of things with you guys, like how my experience was it good, bad, why, and everything of that sort. But before that, I got a question that why I didn't do the Vlogmas in Hindi. So the reason behind that was basically that Vlogmas, like obviously I always look at my analytics. I can easily make out from my analytics that I have more audience that is English speaking right now on my channel, and so A, that was the major reason. B, Vlogmas is mostly like preferred by people outside India, like mostly they watch Vlogmas. It's more popular there. I'm not saying that Indian people do not watch that, but it's more popular there, so that was another reason. And you know, Christmas, I was just sharing Christmas ideas and stuff like that, so I thought that it will be better to do it in English, because you know, English speaking people, I can since I'm sharing Christmas ideas and stuff like that, so I can target them easily, like being in English. That was the reason. Apart from that, I am planning to do some videos in Hindi, so yes, stay tuned for those videos. But yeah, for Vlogmas, these were the major reasons that why I did it in English. And now I'll just grab my cup of coffee and see you guys to have a chat session. Okay guys, so I have my cup of coffee here and now we'll have our chat session. So the very first thing that I want to talk about is like you know, how my Vlogmas was. It was definitely good. Like I had a look at my analytics and I knew this also, like when I was starting with Vlogmas, we were around 300, a family of 300 subscribers, and now we have reached 400. So I mean, we've got over 100 subscribers and I'm really grateful for that. Like I was before doing the Vlogmas, I was looking at the videos of a lot of YouTube gurus and you know, the people who talk about having a YouTube channel, growing it and stuff like that. So a lot of them said that being a small YouTuber, it might affect, like Vlogmas might affect your channel negatively, because you know, Vlogmas is known for more of the vloggers, the big vloggers. I was a craft channel, right? And so I thought, let's merge both. Let's merge both of the things together. But yeah, like obviously, and you're pushing out videos daily, so you don't know whether your audience will like it or not. And a lot of people said that, you know, they started losing subscribers last year being a small YouTuber. So I was a little scared, but I did Vlogmas for different reasons and I'll talk about those in my video later on. But let's first talk about why I was not willing to do a giveaway initially. So by now you all know that I have my own business and I had been conducting giveaways on my business from a long time. Like the period when I started that was February 2018. I started doing giveaways from that time only. My main motive to do a giveaway is to thank the community that I have, the followers, subscribers, all of those terms. Basically the family I have built, the community I have built, it's my way of thanking them. Like I do giveaways for that. Obviously subscribers and followers come in because of that. The numbers go high because since I was a business, obviously the number of followers also mattered to some extent, because we are working in this digital zone here. The numbers definitely play a role, so I cannot completely kick that out of the window, but that is secondary for me. My main motive is to thank the community that I have. And I used to do a lot of giveaways from February 2018 till December 2018. Obviously, it was to promote my business as well. I was a new business, so that was for that as well. But during that phase, I got a lot of new followers, and the followers who are my big time supporters. They have supported me not just during the giveaway phase, like they support me till now. I have made some genuine bonds with those people, though I have never met them. But they are still there to support me. Even if they win or don't win, it is not for them, it is not about winning or losing. It's about just being a part of the community, and that's what I wanted always, and I'm really thankful for those kind of people. But after a certain point of time, especially in 2019, but I conducted 3 to 4 giveaways in 2019, and back to back I was getting the thing of, you didn't select us as the winner and this and that. Like, I know there are a lot of people who take part just for the giveaway. They follow you, and if they don't win, they unfollow you. It's okay. Like, obviously the drop in the number of followers is there, and that does not make me feel sad. It matters, but that is not the sole reason why I get upset. I get upset when they shower so much love on your posts. They message you that, oh my god, your work is like this, that, and then they just unfollow you. So you get that feeling, that appreciation was not from the heart. Dil se nahi tha kuch bhi, it was just for the giveaway. That feels bad. I actually feel bad because of that, because I'm starting out new. At that point of time, I'm starting out new. Till now, I am a small business only. And even a single comment of appreciation makes you feel happy. But when you see that that was just for a freebie or a giveaway gift, it feels bad. So, and there was one particular incident when the person didn't win. I was getting accustomed to this thing of getting messages from people that you didn't select us as the winner and this and that. I clearly mentioned it is not on effort basis, it is on a lucky draw basis. So I didn't ask you to take that many efforts. I'm talking about the Instagram stuff. Here also I mentioned that it will be, end of the day, it will be a lucky draw. But yes, the people who have taken efforts will get the chance to get on the list of the lucky draw. At that point of time, I was like, please read the caption again. I clearly mentioned that it will be a lucky draw kind of thing. I didn't ask you to take so many efforts. Like, you were just taking efforts for the sake of the giveaway. You were not genuinely praising me. But the last incident because of which I have not conducted a giveaway in a long time was when that person messaged me. I was busy somewhere. I cannot sit on my phone 24/7 replying to everything and stuff like that. So I'm busy. Please give me time. They started commenting on my posts that she does not respect efforts. She is like this and that. I was like, at least give me time to reply. She literally commented, she is not replying to me. I haven't even seen your message. How would I reply? Give me time to reply, right? So that was the thing that triggered me, that because when you're conducting a giveaway, it takes time, it takes efforts to conduct that, and I am giving something for free. Obviously my cost is involved, not showing off anything, but I am doing it as a thank you gesture, and you are coming out on me, taking a personal grudge because her friend won, she didn't. So that was their internal problem. Why are you taking out on me? I was like, that's your personal matter. Handle it on that level. Don't bring me in there, and please don't comment on my posts. At that point of time, I was very upset. I ranted about this on my stories as well. But then the genuine supporters that I had over time because of the giveaways and other stuff, they came and messaged me that you are not like that, don't worry, we are there for you, you always do it in the best manner. We are not here for the giveaways only. These are the people who are like that, so you don't even need to bother about those people. So I was scared of that aspect, but then I was like, no, this is my community, and the people who are genuinely supporting me, I need to give. Obviously there are certain constraints, like if I had the choice I would have given everyone something or the other, but that's like, obviously we have certain constraints, and the people who genuinely respect that do understand that. And I was like, no, now I have a community on YouTube as well, and I need to give something back to them. I cannot give back like a physical good to everyone, but yes, at least one person, and I'll be doing that. And I was like, forget about it. You had gained a lot of genuine supporters, and you will gain those genuine supporters here as well. And I mean, you guys, like, if you have made it till here, you guys, yes, you. But yeah, that was the thing. I was like really confused, should I do it or not do it? But then I finally did, because I was like, I really need to thank you guys. Now coming to it's a very long rant. Sorry about that. I might cut it in the editing. I'll try doing that. But yeah, let's come to the Vlogmas experience. So, I was like, I had a lot of Christmas ideas in my mind, so I was like, okay, let's just divide it on daily basis. It took a lot of time, but I was like, okay, we'll do it. No matter what, we'll do it. So first thing was that, you know, shooting videos daily, editing videos daily, I was like, I'll up my game. It will help me in my overall growth as well. Like, I can see a difference in my camera presence, the way I talk in front of the camera, big time. Like, if you guys have not watched my very first video, I'll leave a link to that. You can easily make out that I was very, like, I have never been a camera person. So I was very awkward in front of the camera, but that has changed over time. And you know, these daily videos has helped me a lot. Then also I switched my editing software 2 weeks before this. So I was getting a hang of it. You know, it was taking a lot more time to edit the videos now, because I was accustomed to the shortcuts and everything of the previous. Yes, I had a low memory. I cleaned some data, and now we are back at shooting. So yeah, I was saying that, you know, I was accustomed to the shortcuts of the previous software. So it was time consuming to edit on the new software. And this is one of the major reasons I was not able to upload daily at 11 a.m. the way I promised, because you know, I was facing a lot of problem. First, in terms of editing, you know, getting a hold of the shortcuts, the placing of the tools and stuff like that. And the second reason was because of the default settings of the software, I was facing a lot of problems. Like, one day my videos was not getting rendered. It wasted 3 hours of mine, and then I had to see what I need to do. On YouTube, it was not a direct video that I was able to find, but later I solved that problem. So these were the things that happened, but now I am accustomed to the software. I am able to edit the videos in a much lesser time. Second thing, I think it's the third thing, right? Third thing. Initially, like, if you have been subscribed to my channel since the starting and you have been watching my videos, you know that I do my sit and talk videos at just one place, right? And at that place also, I had that time frame of 1 p.m. till 5 p.m. because the sunlight there was at that point of time only. But now, because of the Vlogmas, I have found a lot of new spots in my home where I can shoot at different time of the day. Because during the Vlogmas, I had to shoot in the evening as well, and it's winter time, sun sets down early. So, you know, now I'm not restricted to that time frame only. If some days I'm not feeling like I don't want to shoot in the afternoon and stuff like that, and I am free at night, I want to shoot, I can, because now I know that there are other places in my home where I can shoot even at night, and that's not gonna hamper the lighting. So yes, I really like that, and I really like the vlogging kind of a feel of this whole thing. And you guys will be getting a lot of new videos related to like this only, like day in my life and studio vlogs. Like, I don't have a studio, but yeah, things like that. And you guys will also be seeing a change in my tips and tricks videos, like how I shoot them. You know, the ones where I just share the tips and tricks, like not the DIY videos kind of. So yeah, you will be seeing a change in that because I love this vlogging kind of a feel. So I'll definitely incorporate that. And as I mentioned, I am planning to shoot few videos in Hindi, so do let me know if you would like to see that more often on my channel in the comment section below. And yes, that was pretty much it for today. It was a long rant related to the giveaway, but I was like, you guys are also now a part of my family and you deserve to know all that thing. Like, yeah, that was the scare that I had, fear, you know. Yes, obviously, if you guys unsubscribe also, that also hurts, but you know, the feeling of that, you know, the comments were not genuine, maybe that is more hurtful. But yeah, that, like, I know you all are going to support me genuinely, but you know, when you have certain past experiences building up back to back, that triggers your mind. But I was like, let it be. I have a lot of genuine supporters because of my giveaways only, and that is what all matters. The people who genuinely want to support you, whether you conduct a giveaway or not, and that is what matters at the end of the day. The community, the genuine community, I'm so sorry. The genuine community that I'm building here, so that is what matters for me. And yes, I'll be coming up with the giveaway results on 28th of December. Like, the video will go live on 28th of December, and also for that, the list, I'll make the list. Like, I'll see all the things. Like, by now I remember all the names who are supposed to go on the list. But yeah, the lucky draw, like how I'll choose one random person, that will be short from start to finish, and I'll not edit that at any cost. And that will go in the video itself. And yes, that is pretty much it for today. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, like if you liked my rant. And I wish you guys a very Merry Christmas, not just you but your friends and family as well. And I hope you enjoy this Christmas. And yes, this was pretty much it from my end. I'll see you guys not tomorrow but now in my next video. And thank you for watching. Bye.